Everywhere, on e-commerce websites, in local markets, at ridiculously low prices. But do you know the hidden dangers that come with cheap LED lights? From health risks to fire hazards, today we're uncovering the truth the manufacturers don't want you to know. Welcome to LED Insiders. Let's dive in. The LED lighting revolution was meant to be energy efficient and long-lasting. But as demand grew, so did the flood of ultra-low-cost LED products from unregulated manufacturers. These products often compromise quality, safety, and standards, all in the name of cost-cutting. Fire hazards. Cheap LEDs may lack proper heat sinks, causing overheating, especially when enclosed in fixtures. This increases the risk of short circuits and fires. Poor color quality and eye strain. Many cheap LEDs emit low CRI, color rendering index, light or flicker rapidly. This can cause eye strain, headaches, and in some cases, migraine triggers, especially in offices and homes. Use of toxic materials. Some counterfeit or cheap products contain lead, mercury, or toxic plastics not compliant with RoHS or CE standards, putting your health at risk. Electromagnetic interference. Ever noticed radio noise or Wi-Fi drops when turning on an LED light? Poorly shielded cheap LEDs can emit EMI, electromagnetic interference, that affects electronics. No warranty, no support. When it fails, and it will, you're stuck. No warranty, no returns, and no customer service. You're essentially buying a disposable hazard. What to look for instead? Not all affordable LEDs are bad. Here's how to pick a safe and reliable LED light. Look for certifications: CE, RoHS, BIS in India, UL, etc. Check for wattage and lumen rating consistency. Avoid products without manufacturer details. Go with trusted brands or those offering a warranty. Pay attention to packaging and build quality. Cheap LEDs might save you a few bucks today, but can cost you your health, devices, or even your home tomorrow. Be smart, stay safe, and light wisely. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to LED Insiders for more truthful insights into the lighting world. Hit the bell icon to never miss a light bulb moment again. What to look for instead?